Hello everyone, today I am going to share the recipe of these juicy burgers, lamb ribs, lamb chops, and some chicken fillets in this video. So keep watching, and if you're really looking forward to do a barbecue at home, then this is definitely for you. And this is actually a secret recipe of my father-in-law who really likes to marinate. My father-in-law actually knows the best taste for lamb chops. I think I have eaten many places in restaurant. अगर जिस तरह मेरे फादर इन लॉ सजेस्ट करते हैं ना मैरिनेशन, वैसे मैंने टेस्ट कहीं नहीं देखा है. सो वी हैव दावत, एंड जब हमारे घर में दावत होती है तो फिर ऑब्वियसली हर चीज़ अच्छे तरीके से बनाई जाती है. वैसे भी बनाते हैं लेकिन दावत के लिए ख़ास इंतज़ाम होता है. तो यहाँ पे हमने 3 से 4 किलो मटन चॉप्स ले लिए हैं, और साथ में हमारे पास बीफ का कीमा है. वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि उसकी मैरिनेशन कैसे होती है. सारी मैरिनेशन का जो आइडिया है वो मेरे फादर इन लॉ एंड मदर इन लॉ का है. उनका हिसाब उनको पता होता है कि कितनी क्या चीज़ कैसे डलती है, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो आई एम केपेबल ऑफ कुकिंग दैट मच अमाउंट. सो दे आर really expert in marination. We had to marinate this a day before we cook. So एक दिन पहले अगर मसाला लगा दिया जाता है तो बेटर होता है. अच्छा, लैम चॉप्स को या मटन चॉप्स को अच्छी तरह से आपने वॉश करना है, और उसके बाद आपने बेसिक पहले मसाले यूज़ करने हैं, जैसे कि चिली पाउडर है, कुटी हुई मिर्च है, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, ओके, गरम मसाला, लिटिल बिट, नॉट टू मच, योगर्ट अबाउट, इसमें 2 कप योगर्ट हमने डाली है जो कि नीचे छुप गई है मसालों के, इज़ हिडन अंडर द मसाला. जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट साबित अपना खुद घर में बनाया है, not from the fridge. It's really fresh. And obviously you also have to add some salt accordingly, because that's your choice how you add it. This is the key part where you have to add some honey, little bit, not too much, just to give a flavor. And in all our cooking we use olive oil. You can add some ketchup, barbecue sauce, and a little bit of, lemon if you want. So I think the main 4 ingredients that I've seen during this marination was the honey, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and, olive oil. So this is how we marinate. Basic masalas and adding all of those. Also the chili powder that you've seen. Now mixing them together properly and make sure that they are all absorbing the sauce right inside their हड्डियाँ. अब जब ये सारा मसाला लग जाएगा तो हमने एक रात इसको रख देना है फ्रिज में, और फिर अगले दिन इसको कुक करना है. अच्छा, कीमे का था, हमने लैम और बीफ कीमा मिक्स करा लिया था, तो उस कीमे में हमने किया क्या है, वही उसी तरह के मसाले ऐड किए हैं, लेकिन इसमें एक चीज़ स्पेशल है, वो है ग्रीन चिली जो है क्रश्ड हुई हुई, वो हमने इसमें ऐड की है. ब्रेड क्रम्स डालना लाजमी है. यू मस्ट हैव टू ऐड सम ब्रेड क्रम्स टू मेक श्योर दैट योर बर्गर्स आर नॉट breaking when you're cooking them. So this is one of the key ingredient I found, that breadcrumbs really help mincemeat to stay together. And yeah, breadcrumbs, ginger garlic, salt, pepper, all of those, and your basic ingredients but the green chili is one of the key, because in this one we are not going to use red chili powder. We're only going to use coriander, green chilies, turmeric, and a little bit of cumin seeds, because this gives a texture when you make your burgers or kebabs the way you say it. We are also adding some garam masala here, and dhania powder and coriander, fresh coriander. So all of these things you can see are a little bit different what you've seen in my lamb chops and in my mutton chops. They're not the same. That's how it's done. And now we have to make sure that we mix it properly and do some test. So जब ये मसाला mix हो जाता है, तो then we need to make sure that we do 1 or 2 kebabs on the frying pan just to see how the taste is. If it's needed much more salt or a bit of chili, then we can add it right now. So what I did, my father-in-law just gave me one make kebab to make sure that we fry it on our frying pan to taste. Testing is really important with mincemeat, because once it goes on the grill, then obviously you can't make changes. It's going to be very difficult. As you can see now, Qeema is ready. So now we are going to make one little burger kebab type and fry it on the frying pan, and then taste it how it is. So Give it about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. If you like to cook like very crispy, then obviously give more time. But we are just frying it for a reason, to find out how all the texture is. I forgot to mention to you that you can also add some onions. So after testing it, it was really nice, and then I decided just to make more burgers. So I made around 30 burgers because we have about 10 to 12 people coming to visit. So obviously we are going to make sure that we make extra. And there are more things you will see on the table, that people who are visiting us, they are really close to us. They're like family members, they're cousins, and they're also bringing some salad, some other things like some snacks. So the main food is provided and prepared by us, and the other rest of things are coming from their house. It will be like pakode or salad or fruit salad or dahi bade. Also, these chicken fillets are marinated the same way as we did for lamb chops. I haven't showed you the recipe because this is done by my auntie, so she just brings in. We didn't have to marinate at home. But this is like a get together and a party where everybody is contributing and making sure that we are celebrating our day and having a nice family dinner. As you can hear the sizzling, everything is cooking very nicely. The fire itself is, the coals are all hot and ready to cook. The fire is a little bit high, but I think they know what they're doing. So I didn't do that part because I don't like the smoke going on my clothes. So I stayed a little bit away from this. And then now you can see all of the things are on the same grill. The chicken fillets, the burgers, the lamb chops, mutton chops, and the kebab that we were making. So usually we use these kebabs as a burger patty and just add it into the burger bun and make like a beef burgers. So these ones actually taste very, very nice. You can even freeze them if you don't want to eat the same day. Just make it, freeze it, and use it anytime that you want. Now here you can see our burgers are ready, and we also have some chicken which is almost all done. I am going to take some short clips to show you how it's ready now. I liked every single thing. Burger was a little bit spicy because there was green chilies crushed into it, but you can make a difference and you can change the recipe if you want to and do things accordingly, like according to your taste. Maybe you don't like more spicy than us, because our family is more like eating high spices and चटपटा खाना. तो लैम चॉप्स भी रेडी हो गए, मटन चॉप्स भी रेडी, बर्गर्स भी रेडी. खाने का टाइम. अच्छा, ये अनार वाली जो सलाद आपने देखी, ये हमारे मेहमानों की तरफ से आई है. उन्होंने दही बड़े बनाए और पोटैटो सैलेड, साथ में लैम चॉप्स जो हमने तैयार किए थे वो भी टेबल पे हमने रख दिए, और बर्गर्स भी रेडी हैं. तो आप देख रहे हैं मेहमानों ने अपनी पसंद का खाना खाया, हमने सर्व किया, एंजॉय किया और मज़े से इस खाने को सबके सामने पेश किया. Hope you enjoyed, and if you really enjoyed my video, then please make sure you subscribe my channel, forward to others, share it, and keep watching more videos that I'm going to upload. Usually I don't upload the long videos, but now I'll make sure that I upload every other day. See you next time. All the best. That's all. Food done. इसको सीधा तो नहीं ऐसे करते होंगे. ये भी आ गया एक दफा तो लाइन बन गया.